Hi, welcome back to the Berdu.id channel. Did you know that on Berdu, you can create a custom order invoice page using variables like this and integrate it into your checkout page? This custom page can also serve as a thank you page for your customers after they complete their checkout. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu.id channel to explore hundreds of other tutorials. Hit the like button below and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. First, from your Berdu's website dashboard, go to Layout. You can either edit the default order invoice page by going to Edit Layout, hover over the navigation menu, and choose the checkout page. Or you create a custom page in Custom Pages. Add a new page or edit an existing one. In this page, add a new section and search for the Order Invoice Variable section. A preview will appear, showing all the variables you can include on the page. Now, select an order to use as an example. For this tutorial, let's select the first order. Click Done. Add a new text section. Since we've already added the variable invoice section, we can now insert variables into the text section. I'll give you the example. You can type hello, open brace, customer, underscore, name, close brace. This variable will automatically display the customer's name, for example, John, on the live page. Remember, this is just an example. The actual data displayed will depend on the details input by your customer. Explore other variables available in the Variable section to include the ones that fit your needs. You can add variables such as order price, order link, product, and others by typing the variable exactly as shown here. Make sure the variable format is correct. Otherwise, the data won't appear. All right, now let's edit the text section to suit your needs. You can also style the text by adjusting the block type, font type, alignment, and other settings. For specific instructions, such as for digital products orders, you can include clear details here. To make the page visually appealing, you can customize the background of the text section. Go to Container Settings, change the background type to image, and upload a custom background image. Adjust the spacing as needed to ensure the design looks clean and professional. Rename the page for easy identification. For example, name it Custom Thank You Page, but avoid naming it Thank You Page, as it might cause confusion later during setup. Click Save. If you directly edited the default order invoice page earlier, you can skip this step. But if you created a new custom page instead of editing the default order invoice page, follow these steps to link it to your checkout process. Go back to Layout, Edit Layout, hover over the navigation, and choose Checkout Page, then click Edit on the Checkout section. To apply the custom thank you page we created earlier, you can directly change it here. Change the target to Local Page, link it to the custom page, then select the page we just created. This setting acts as a master setting, meaning that, regardless of the payment method, customers will be directed to this custom thank you page. However, if you want to direct the thank you page to appear for specific payment methods only, like for bank transfers or credit cards only, here's how to do it. First, set the target back to Order Invoice, then go to the Form section. Then go to Payment Methods. Check Customize Payment Methods. Add the payment methods you want to use. For example, let's add bank transfer. Now, to display the custom thank you page we created earlier, we need to set it in the Target section. By default, it's set to Order Invoice, but now we'll change it to Local Page, select Custom Page, and choose the custom page you created earlier, based on the name you assigned. When everything is finished, click Done, Done, and Save. Now let's test the Custom Invoice Page Go. Simulate a customer shopping and filling in their details on your website. Click Complete Order. Now, the custom thank you page we created appears, complete with customer details, product information, and additional notes for customers. And that's it for this tutorial. We hope this helps you customize your order invoice and thank you pages effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu.id channel for more tutorials. Follow us on social media for more exciting content. See you in the next video.